Bitcoin, we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, there is no much changes. We move to forward chart. All right. Okay, based on forward chart, if we refer back to my last video, I mentioned maybe we put this one together as flat, and we can expect this one. This is the one is going to test this low. Now the only thing is whether this is a correction for the next move down or not. Okay, we are more interested, as I explained in my last video, we are more interested if we get the down move. Okay, then from there we look for buy. But uh, for my personal, I mean, for me personally, I prefer to look for buy. That means I'm not going to short, going for sell. But now our analysis, we prefer the price to drop, break this low, then we look for buy from there. But it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. There is a possibility also price can reverse from here. Okay, but what I want to say, this is a correction we're looking for. We will be more interested for the next move down before we look for buy. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade. Is there any possibility the price can reverse from here or not based on 1 hour chart? Okay, in this case, we move to lower time frame 1 hour chart. Okay, as we explained based on forward chart, we say maybe we put this one as a correction for the next move down. Okay, if this is the case, is correct for those they're looking for the sell, it can be really good because in terms of the risk and reward, it can give them a very good trade. Okay, if they want to short it. Okay, in this case, how they can look for sell? If there is a continuation, give any flag, they can sell, and when the price reach to this level, they can start to manage it. Okay, this is how they can look for sell, because may there is a possibility we will have this move, the price can drop, repeat similar to with what we have here. Okay, or also the price can break and continue. Anyway, as long as if we get any correction, continuation correction, we can look for sell. As long as the price come to this level, they can start to manage. And if the price broke this low, if the price can break this low, then from there this is where we are really interested in the buy. But it doesn't mean as long as the price break, we need the price break, then from there any buy setup we take it. And beside this, as I explained based on forward chart, if we talk about the buy, we said there is a possibility the price can reverse from here. But if we want to buy, how we can buy? Having entry above this, I don't suggest it because of the possibility the price, there is a breakout, touch the line, reverse. Okay, in this case, the first option, if we want to look for buy, is this. If I remove, okay, if the price start to look for correction, it start to give a correction similar to what I draw here, at least give a correction, then from there we can look for buy. Then we don't need to expect the price to drop. Okay, anyway, again, if we get a correction here, then from there we can confirm for the continuation for the up move. But we need to get the buy setup, whether within the correction or having entry above the top. But right now we cannot have an entry above this. Okay, that means if we get a correction, we can look for buy. Then from there, we are not looking for the down move anymore. Or the second things, if the price break this high, give a correction or a small flag, then we can trade also for the buy. If we give a correction, can give a better confirmation. But if it's give a small flag after the breakout of this top, then any buy we consider as a short-term buy. Okay, what I want to see, if we get a correction, bigger correction can give us a better confirmation for the next move. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. The only thing is we need to look for this, whether there is a continuation, a small flag for the next move down, or give us a correction for the next move up. Okay, anyway, uh beside this, is there any possibility the price can sharply move up? Yes, but having entry above this, we don't trade it because we want the price to break this up conform. Because I see there is a possibility the price sharply can move and reverse. We don't need, we don't want to take that risk. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We see how we can trade it. Thanks.